Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware. Charge both Airpods and the case above 50% and keep them in range. Once done, disable Bluetooth on other nearby devices so nothing auto-joins. Now forget the Airpods on your phone's Bluetooth list. This clears any corrupted pairing info. Next, open the case lid, press and hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This factory reset wipes stale settings so you can pair cleanly and reduce random disconnects. After the reset, repair the Airpods by opening the case near your device and following on-screen prompts. This creates a fresh, clean connection. Once paired, check settings. Turn off automatic device switching if you hop between devices frequently, and restrict connections to essential devices only. Make sure your phone or laptop OS is updated and that Airpods firmware shows the latest version. Updates often fix Bluetooth instability. Finally, move away from Wi-Fi routers or USB 3 hubs during testing. Interference can mimic random disconnects. Now test, play audio for at least 30 minutes and walk through the areas where disconnects happen to see if it reoccurs. If one device still drops, reset that device's network settings. This clears Bluetooth profiles that may conflict. If disconnects continue, try the Airpods with another phone or laptop to determine if the issue is the Airpods or the original device. If they fail on multiple devices, consider Apple support. Otherwise, tweak Bluetooth coexistence settings on the problem device and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.